What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how DaBaby made Blame It On Baby.
Okay.
As always, the DAW, or the digital audio workstation that we're using today, will be FL Studio, and for my fellow FL Studio users, I will leave the FLP in the description below. And if you learned something new today, please feel free to like and subscribe to keep the learning going. So there are two parts to this song, as you probably already know. The first part sounds like this. Let's go through the piano first. We're using the LA Custom C7 Bright piano, which is a preset inside of the expansion pack from Omnisphere called Keyscape. The bass section of the piano plays over 2 octaves. It goes C sharp, then D, then down to A. And that repeats every 2 bars. Then a few octaves up, we have the high melody. So altogether, the piano sounds like this. We also have in the introduction a mute guitar playing. So we're using a few different presets to create this guitar sound. This one's from the Trillion expansion, so if you don't have it, then that's why. These are all playing together to introduce the song. This next part was really interesting, and it probably stumped a lot of producers, which is maybe why you're watching this video. In this next part, the guitar goes up an octave. What's interesting about this part is that when you take the Strat muted guitar up an octave, the notes shrink, so it doesn't sound like it should sound. This is what it sounds like without any filters. Then when you increase it by an octave, the notes shrink so much. So instead of taking the pitch up an octave on the piano roll, we're actually using an external plugin called Pitch Wheel, and we're taking it up 12 semitones, which is also an octave. So you can hear a really big difference. So this plays for 4 bars, and then we reintroduce the piano that's playing the bass notes. That's it for part 1, on to part number 2. Introducing part number 2, we have this electronic synth. And I made this on Serum. We're using basic shapes, and I'm bringing the wavetable position up to 7 and the unison up to 3. Then for effects inside of Serum, we're using hyperdimension, chorus, and reverb. Then the most important effect that we're using here comes from this free plugin called Crush. I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to download it yourself. Here we're creating a bit crush effect using the crush and the down sample. Then we're adding in this kalimba sound. And I grabbed this sample off of Omnisphere. We're using the coffee can kalimba hammer. Then we're making the transients a bit more gentle using transient processor. And then we're using parametric EQ2 to get rid of some of the low end. Then these two patterns play together, and we're adding an 808. For the 808, we're using the Without Warning 21 808. And it follows this pretty simple pattern. That's actually it for the instrumental. Again, I'm going to leave the FLP in the description below if you want to download that for yourself. Anyway, I will play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to remake in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you felt, and I will see you guys next time.